Alright guys, in this video we want to find how to solve a quadratic equation with just a single root, just like we have here, 1 minus alpha over 1 plus alpha. We are given only alpha to work with, but we know that we have been used to the fact that we are always given alpha and beta, but in this case we are given just alpha. So how do we justify this and still get the correct answer? So let's take it step by step. You know we have 1 minus alpha over 1 plus alpha. This is the same thing as writing 1 minus alpha over 1 plus alpha times 1. I have not changed anything, right? And this is also the same thing as writing 1 minus alpha over 1 plus alpha times 1 minus beta over 1 minus beta. You know I've not changed anything, because if the whole of this cancel the whole of this, I will still have that one that we have here. So I've not really changed anything. So this is what we are going to work with. So in that case, this is equal to 1 minus beta minus alpha plus alpha beta, okay, over 1 minus beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. Okay, good. So from here we can now start the journey. I can bring out the minus, that will be alpha plus beta. Okay, I just factorize the minus, plus alpha beta, then over 1. I want to rearrange this one, 1 plus alpha minus beta, just a rearrangement. Okay, then minus alpha beta. And from one of the videos I did, it is very clear that we have obtained the value for difference of quadratic roots, and that's what I'm going to be using in this video. So if you have not watched it yet, make sure you do. And that formula is actually the roots of alpha plus beta squared minus 4 alpha beta. That's the formula. Then we still have our minus, our normal minus alpha beta. Okay, so let's fix it in one after the other. 1 minus into the bracket minus b over a is for alpha plus beta, right? Plus c over a, isn't it? Over 1 plus the root of minus b over a squared minus 4 c over a, then minus c over a, right? Properly represented. Let's move to the next one in this process. So I'll have 1, don't forget this is my a, this is my b, and this is my c. So I'll have 1 minus into bracket minus 5, that's my b, over 2, plus my c is 3 and my a is 2, same thing like that. Okay, over 1 plus square root of the whole of minus 5 over 2 all squared, okay, minus 4 3 over 2, then minus 3 over 2. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you're writing this stuff so that you won't make mistake. Let me clear this so I can have enough space. All right, so I've got 1 minus 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2 over 1 plus all the roots of 25 over 4. Okay, then this 2 here cancel this one, that is 2, and I'll be having 6, that is minus 6 here, then minus 6 minus 3 over 2. Some of you want to go further to solve, but here we can see that 1 minus 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2 is 0. Let me show you why. Let me just show you. If I have the LCM of this numerator, I will have 2 minus 5 plus 3. Okay, and we know that 3 plus 5 is what? That 3 plus 2 is what? 5, and 5 minus 5 is what? 0. So the whole of this hop is equal to 0, and 0 over anything is what? 0, which means that what we have been looking for here is equal to what? 0. Some of you don't believe. Let me show you that it is 0. You know that this question is actually saying that one of the roots here, when you do 1 minus that root over 1 plus that root, you are going to get 0 like we have gotten. Let's see if that is correct with what we have done so far. Suppose you want to solve this normally. 2 raised to power x squared, that will have 5x plus 3 equals to 0, right? So this one will be 2x squared, okay, minus 2x minus 3x plus 3, isn't it? Good. So I have 2x common, alright, then x minus 1 is common, so minus 3 is common, then x minus 1 equals to 0, and that will be what? 2x minus 3, okay, then x minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. To my writing like this, sorry about that. X minus 1 equals to 0. So I'll have 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, okay, so x here is equal to 3 over 2, then s is equal to 1. Now from here, one of this is alpha and one of this is beta. So with what I'm looking here, this one will be my beta, this one will be my what? My alpha. Okay, we will still try the two, which one will actually be the alpha. So let's see if we are going to get 0 just the way we've solved it. If I choose this one now to work with this one, so 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 0 over 2, and that's what? 0. So the same thing what we have gotten.